everyone, how are you all? Holiday season has just started, and we are towards the end of November. And very soon we will see Christmas lights all over, although the holiday season has started officially. And I got myself two pair of shoes, one from Dior and another from Louis Vuitton. These are not planned by. I was just browsing to these boutiques, and I these are just random purchase because I did not wanted to miss on the sizes. Because sizes in India in any luxury brands are very limited. Whenever I get my size, I would love to pick it up immediately. So that was one of the reason, but the main reason was I love both the pair which I got. So let me not waste any more time, and let's begin with the Louis Vuitton one. So the Louis Vuitton one comes in this Louis Vuitton packet, and I unboxed it to check the piece. So it was properly packed, but I did the unboxing. But I'll show you just because these pieces I bought it yesterday itself. So today I'm gonna show you first from the Louis Vuitton. So I got myself these. Just put the box here. These pair of heel. They are called I don't even know the name because they are such a random purchase. 6 a.m. Mule. If you go and see in the website, if you want the same for yourself, and these are brand new mules, very latest for the season, and they are leather, and sides are leather. This is tweed, very good quality, and I like this LV logo here, and which is not very shouting LV, but very classy and subtle. And yeah, so the size is 37. This is 37 size I wear, and with this they will give you two clothes, two dust clothes each for each pair. Okay, so I have already unboxed yesterday. I got it, so I unboxed yesterday and I'm shooting now today. So if you guys want to have the closer look, so this will be for my perfect day to evening for this festive season. And I'm loving my purchase, and just do let me know in the comment how you like this pair. Now I'm quickly gonna show you the other pair which I got from Dior. So these two are very latest for the season. So your boxing I always like because it has star, and my name is also Tara, so I like the star in the packet. And voila, there we go. So even I unboxed this yesterday when I got it. So I'm showing you all today, and it was nicely ribboned and packed. And with this also, you will get two separate clothes for to keep your beauty. So along with this we have invoice. So are you guys excited? Voila, here you go. So this is also very latest for the season, and the color is also shouting festive. So this is also black and gold, and size is 37, and in the back also it has star, which I really like. So yeah, this is how it looks. And the heel is I think these are called dway heeled slide. If you want the same, you guys can go and check in the website. So here in India sizes are very limited. My size is 37, which is a very popular size, and it gets sold out immediately. So I immediately picked up two heels. So I'm comfortable in wearing only this much heels. I'm not a very heely girl. I'm very comfortable in sneaker, and this much heels are my type. So now you guys know what type of shoes I wear. I don't wear more heel than this. So this is my comfortable size. And if you're gonna guys wanna see both of them together, this is how they look. And do let me know in the comment how you guys like, and what are you guys buying this festive season. And thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and lots of love. Happy holidays. Bye you all.